Hi guys, Robert Ian Bonnick, RIB, inspirational speaker, inspirational coach, and author, published author of Soul Survivor by New Holland. Now welcome back guys. Today we're going to deal with self-publishing. So remember, share this. The more people we have writing incredible books, the better the world will be, because reading is a way for us to learn and grow, right? Learn and grow. That's what books allow us to do, to learn and grow. So please share this out, guys, so other people can get this training, get this information as well. Okay, so now you've done your manuscript, you've written your book, right? Now you're thinking, okay, I don't want to go the publisher route. I want to go the self-published route. What do I do next? Now, a lot of people know already. There are a few platforms. The best platform is Amazon at the moment. I'm pretty sure that everyone watching this knows that. Now, Amazon have got a tool, an online tool, which allows you to publish your book. Now, it allows you to publish your book basically on demand. So there's a number of steps, and what I'll do is I'll drop a link into this one with a video. All right, a video of a friend who explains it really well and in a lot of detail. Okay, which would be great for you. So here I'll give you the main points. So the first thing is that if you can maybe write your book in like a Google Docs is good. Each page or each chapter you can have it as a separate file in Google Docs. That way you can change it at will. It's easy to upload. It's easy to download as well, and it helps you to keep it tight, keep it organized, chapter by chapter. And then also you can put the photos, the supporting documentation into that drive as well, right? And it'll make it easy for the next step. So when you jump onto Amazon, first thing you'll do is set up an Amazon account if you haven't got one already, and then you click on the section book publishing, self-publishing. And then what will happen is it will get you to Kindle as well, so you can do both the online book as well as the physical book as well. And the steps are really good. So the steps are, you'll need to upload your book, and it will give you the formats of how to basically do that. So you'll upload your book. All of this can be done, by the way, in about an hour, and you can have it pretty much up within 24 to 48 hours. So it's actually pretty quick, right? Remember, I'm going to leave you a link, which is a real how-to video, which is very, very helpful for you, okay? So then once you're on there, you've put your book in, it's in there, it's uploaded to the platform, you create your account beforehand, all right? And then you can then choose whether you want to do online or both. And what you can then do is there's a tool in there which allows you to help to create your cover, your book cover, which is important as well. Otherwise, with your book cover, actually, you can just go to something like an upwork.com, and you post a job which is about you doing your book cover, and you can basically, I would do about 3 to 5 people is what you want to engage on Upwork. And then what happens is that for a very small fee, $5 to $10 US, you can get someone to design your book cover, and they could, just like when you go and you're looking for a specialist product, and maybe you go and get a few different quotes. It's the same thing basically. So what you're doing is that you're going out Upwork. You post a job. You're gonna get 5 different people working on it. Each one will come up with their idea, and then you choose the best idea. That's on Upwork, right? But you can do it all within the Amazon platform, actually. So you don't need to go to Upwork, but that's another way that you can do it as well. And then once you've got that sorted out, and then you upload that, you've obviously got your title already. And then it gives you an opportunity to select the category. Now, when you select the category, right, you automatically get 2, but with a certain approach, you can get 8. But anyway, let's work from two for now. What's important about this is that one category you want, if you can choose, see, a way to get like a bestseller in Amazon is by the category that you choose. So if you choose a category that is highly competitive, right? Then the chances are it's going to be a little bit more difficult for you to reach that bestseller status. Whereas if you go on if you choose a category that's a little bit spurious, like a little bit left of field, right? So remember, you've got the choice of 2, but actually you can do 8 in the end of it. Then it gives you a lot more chance to stand out in that category, right? That's a little pro tip there. So once you've decided that, then you can basically push the publish button. There's a few other choices that you'll get, which the video will run you through. But then you can basically push that publish button. Up it goes, upload it to Amazon, and then within 24 to 48 hours, then your book can be on the platform. We'll get into this in another section about promotion and marketing and advertising. But what's relevant for this time is the online option, so the Kindle. So that you can do through your account again. It's a similar process that we've just gone through now. Follow the prompts. I'll leave a little link in there to that one as well. And look, essentially what you've then got is that you've got an online book, an ebook, and then you've also got what we call a print-on-demand book. So print-on-demand, what that basically means is that, when you go, if you wanted to, for example, if you wanted to become a publisher, right, traditionally, then you're holding a lot of stock, right, a warehouse of books, right, paying rent on that and hoping that you sell these guys, right? And then you're going to work out, well, if we sell them all, then we can do a reprint, and that reprint will cost you money, and then again, you hope again you're going to sell them all. So with Amazon, you can print on demand. So what that basically means is that once you've uploaded it to Amazon and everything else, and you've got your covers and all the other things sorted out, then what you can do is you print on demand. So in the time that somebody comes to Amazon, let's say Amazon, and they say, I love this book, I want to buy this book, and they press buy, right? So, and Amazon will dispatch it to them. For the same time period, they can print your book and send it to the person who's bought it without any kind of delay. So that's a really powerful step and a great way to get it published on Amazon, and then do that book on demand, right? Print on demand, and then that will help you as well to not have that cost which a normal publisher has of having to buy stock and have inventory. You don't need any of that, simply because Amazon are handling the whole thing for you. So that's a really powerful tool, is Amazon, from that perspective. Now, what else can I cover? I've covered that. Yep, that's good. All right. So look, I think that's enough for this session. So what we'll do, just remember that we have the Facebook group. Okay, the Facebook group, you're going to have lots of tools and resources like this to refer to help you on your journey to the next step of wherever it is you need to get to, right? So that's the first thing. The link will be in the description, either there, or there, wherever it's going to appear. And so get into that group, guys, and share that message. The more people in that group, the better the vibe, the better the energy, the more opportunity there is for everyone else to really succeed, right? That's the first thing. The second thing, as you know, there's a bonus, because I want to thank you for getting this far. So there's a bonus that you can have. So the way you access that bonus is by my email address is in the link here. Email me. And what you want to tell me is that, Rob, I want the cheat sheet, right? And the cheat sheet is that gives you the structuring of the book, how to write the book, and those steps. I can give you that for free, of course, as a cheat sheet. Or the other bonus that I'm offering is a 45-minute discovery call free of charge with me, and we can talk about your book project if that's what you want to do, or we can talk about if you want to create that brand from the book, right? The book is only the process, right? It's part of the process, right? And we can create the brand. Now, creating a brand, utilizing a book as a vehicle, is what allows you to create the 6 or 7 figure income, right? And how does that work? It works in, interviews, articles, keynote speeches, workshops, sponsorships, endorsements. All of that type of thing comes through the book, and then marketing that book in the correct way. And as I mentioned before, I have a great team, which has taken a while to build. And part of that team is a PR expert, right? And they've been doing this for a long time. PR expert. And as I said, as far as you want to go. If you just want to write your book and have that That's great. That's awesome. Another book out there is amazing for the reason which I've given. That's fine. But if you really want to create a brand, utilizing your book as a vehicle, and then really reaching out to dominate your niche, to become that expert, have that endorsement right there of you being a published author, and monetizing that, even up to a feature article in Forbes magazine, for example, right? So these are the kind of things that we can do. You need to qualify for that. Of course, it doesn't just happen. There's a qualification process that will run you through if that's where you want to go. All right, so we're here to make sure that you activate your journey to success in either writing your book or turning that into a 6 or 7 figure income. All right, now, take a breath. Next session, I think we'll deal with, got it. Next session, we're talking about marketing, right? So book writing is only part of it. It's only part of it. That's just the first part. The larger, more important part is the marketing. How do you market your book? So in the next one, I suggest you definitely tune in, because marketing your book is the key. Writing is only one part, and that's a smaller part. Marketing is much more important in the sense of getting your book out and your message out to a wider audience. So we'll do that with the next one. Look forward to seeing you then. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay positive. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.